To install Thinkorswim, start by going to the Thinkorswim website and clicking on the download button. This will direct you to a page where you can select the type of account you have, either individual or institutional, and then choose the correct operating system, either Windows or Mac. Once you have selected the correct options, click the download button and wait for the installation file to download. When the download is complete, open the file and follow the installation prompts. You will be asked to agree to the terms and conditions and then choose a location to install the software. After the installation is complete, you will be prompted to launch the Thinkorswim platform. You will need to log in with your username and password to access the platform. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one before you can log in. To create an account, go to the Thinkorswim website and click on the Open an Account button. Fill out the application form with your personal and financial information, and then submit it for review. Once your account is approved, you can log in to the Thinkorswim platform and start using it. When you log into the Thinkorswim platform, you will see a variety of tools and features that can help you trade and invest. The platform includes charting and analysis tools, real-time market data, and a variety of order types. You can also set up a paper trading account to practice trading with fake money before you start trading with real money. To get the most out of the Thinkorswim platform, it is a good idea to take some time to familiarize yourself with the different tools and features. You can do this by watching the tutorial videos and webinars that are available on the Thinkorswim website. You can also contact Thinkorswim customer support if you have any questions or need help with anything. Overall, installing and using Thinkorswim is a relatively straightforward process. By following these steps and taking the time to learn about the different tools and features, you can start using the Thinkorswim platform to trade and invest with confidence.